Create a water-wise garden and supply a precise amount of water to your lawn or garden bed with the Holman Techline Irrigation drip tube. This tutorial will show you how to convert an existing pop-up sprinkler into a drip irrigation system. This system will help reduce evaporation by delivering water directly to the roots of your plants. Clear the dirt around the sprinkler you want to convert. We recommend choosing a sprinkler that is central in your garden. Safely unscrew the spray head and body. Attach a 13mm riser to your sprinkler system that is slightly taller than ground level. We recommend flushing your system to remove any dirt or debris inside the system. Once the system has been flushed, attach a 13mm threaded elbow, ensuring it is on securely and the drip line is pointing in the correct direction. Attach the end of the drip line to the elbow using a 13mm ratchet clamp. Once secure, start to unwind the drip line and roughly measure how much you'll need. Place the drip line around your desired plants and secure in place with a hold-down stake. Cut to the desired length with polypipe cutters. We recommend attaching a flushing valve. Connect a threaded elbow to the end of the drip line and secure with a ratchet clamp. Then screw the flushing valve onto the end of the elbow. The valve will help keep the system free of blockages and purge any dirt or grit out of the system. The drip line has inbuilt drippers within the tube every 300mm, so there are no extra nozzles required. It can be installed on the soil surface or covered up with mulch to irrigate garden areas. Holman, for the Smart Gardener.